Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everybody. In this tutorial we will learn how to configure Eclipse to write Z specification. So to configure Eclipse so that we can write Z specification and Z schemas, we need to perform some following steps. The first step is to install Java runtime environment. So your system must have an updated version of Java installed. The best way is to check whether or not the Java is installed in your system is by going to Start menu, then click on Run, then click on CMD. OK. Here you just need to write the command java -version. So in my system the Java is already installed and I am having Java 1.8 version installed in my system. So if this Java is not installed in your system, then what you can do is you just need to open the browser and open google.com and write install Java runtime environment. So the first link is going to give you the URL of from where you can download and install Java. Here you will click on this free Java download and the downloading will start and then the installation of Java will take place. So in this way you are going to install the Java in your system. So the first thing was to install Java runtime environment. Now the next step is that you need to install the Eclipse with the pre-installed plugin for Z specification. So I have uploaded this version of Eclipse on my site from where you can download. So you need to visit on this page www.online-tutor/tutor.php. So just copy this URL and open a new browser and paste. So we should paste it without the bullet. So I remove the bullet and then I click paste. And here at the bottom of the page, at this under this heading, following methods in software engineering, and under this heading, subheading Z specification language, we have two download links. The first one is download CZT Plugin enabled Eclipse. So you need to click on this one and then you need to download this Eclipse in your system. And it is better to that you give the path of this Eclipse to a directory where your Windows is not present, because if in future your Windows crashes or you format your C drive, then this Eclipse and all the programs you make in it will be vanished. So it's always better to select a directory where Windows is not there. So in my case I will select the A partition of my PC and I click on download. So after the download is completed, I open my PC's A partition and I can see that this is the zip file that has just downloaded. I'll right click on it and click on extract here, or I should select extract to Eclipse so that it should not put files in this A partition root directory. So let's see, I click on Eclipse and here are the files that are just extracted. So now I double click. So now I double click on this eclipse.exe file and I can see this CZT menu appearing here. And so what I'm going to do is I'll go to File, New, Project, and from the menu I'll select this CZT project. Next, and here I need to specify some project name, but I must also see the location. Here location is shown as A Eclipse, so I want to change this location, and I click on browse, and then I will again go to my Eclipse folder, and here I must select this workspace folder in the Eclipse. So it is here in Eclipse, it is this workspace folder. Okay, and this is the folder where over most of the applications will reside. So but still I'm getting some this weird type of error. A Eclipse workspace overlaps the location of another project workspace. So I think I should cancel this out, and first I need to figure out the workspace problem. I go to File, then click on Switch Workspace Other, and then I click on Browse, and again I need to open the Eclipse folder, and then I click on Workspace and I click on OK. Let's see whether the problem is resolved or not. I click on OK, and now I hope that the problem is resolved. This Eclipse is restarted. So let's repeat the same procedure again. Let's go to File, New, and in New click on this you will go to File, New, and click on Project. From Project you select CZT, and then click on CZT Project, click on Next, and now the default directory name is A Eclipse Workspace, and then you write any project name. Let's suppose we write the project name as Library Subsystem, and I click on Finish. Here it is a prompt. This kind of project is associated with the Z perspective. Do you want to open this perspective now? Yes, simply click on yes. And here we can see that we are getting all the notations that we normally use in Z. So from here I'll click on right click on this folder, then click on Z specification. This is the file in which I'm going to write my schemas, and from here I should select Unicode encoded UTF-16, and this is the name of the specification. So let's write it Library Subsystem, and I click on Finish, and here it goes. So this is pretty much about it. How to configure and run Z specification using Eclipse. So in next tutorial we are going to write a simple Z specification about and we will write the Z specification of a birthday book application. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.